Kargil Vijay Divas, also known as Kargil Victory Day, is commemorated every 26 July in India to observe India's victory over Pakistan in the Kargil War of for defeating Pakistani forces from their occupied positions on the mountain tops of northern Kargil district in Ladakh in 1999. Initially, the Pakistani army denied their involvement in the war, claiming that it was caused by Kashmiri militant forces. However, documents left behind by casualties and later statements by the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Nawaz Sharif, and Pakistan Army Chief of Army Staff Pervez Musharraf showed the involvement of Pakistani parliament forces led by General Arshaf Rashid. Kargil Vijay Divas is celebrated on 26 July every year in honor of Kargil War heroes. This day is celebrated all over India and in National Capital Region, New Delhi, where the Prime Minister of India pays homage to the soldiers at Amar Jawan Jyoti at the India Gate every year. Functions are also organized all over the country to commemorate the contribution of the Indian Armed Forces after the Indo Pakistan War of 1971. There had been a long period of relatively few direct armed conflicts involving the military forces of the two neighbors, notwithstanding the efforts of both the nations to control Siachen Glacier by establishing military outposts on the surrounding mountain ridges and resulting military skirmishes in 1980s. During the 1990s, however, escalating tensions and conflicts due to separatist activities in Kashmir as well as the conducting of nuclear tests by both countries in 1998 led to an increasingly belligerent atmosphere. In an attempt to defuse the situation, both countries signed the Lahore Declaration in February 1999, promising to provide a peaceful solution to the Kashmir conflict. During the winter of 1998 to 1999, some elements of Pakistani armed forces were covertly training and sending Pakistani troops and parliamentary forces into territory of Indian side on the line of control, that is LOC. The infiltration code was named as Operation Badri. The aim of the Pakistani incursion was to serve the link between Kashmir and Ladakh and cause Indian forces to withdraw from the Siachen Glacier, thus forcing India to negotiate a settlement on the broader Kashmir dispute. Subsequent discovery of infiltration elsewhere along the LOC, along with the differences in the tactics employed by the infiltrators, caused the Indian army to realize that the plan of attack was on a much bigger scale. The total area seized by the uh, Pakistan was generally accepted between 130 km square to 200 km square. The government of India responded with Operation Vijay, a mobilization of 2 lakh Indian troops. The war came to an official end on 26 July 1999 with the eviction of Pakistani army troops from their occupied positions, thus making it as Kargil Vijay Divas. About 530 soldiers from Indian armed forces lost their lives during the war. I am very sorry for our soldiers and give my heartfelt tribute to them. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.